Does he trying to swim? His brain just left the chat. You will be mine. Tiny teeth, big attitude.
I'm missing you, my honey. Don't you? 我是一个对你别犹豫的小丑。
I have to clean my ears. Where is he looking?